AI is advancing faster than ever. It's automating work, writing articles, diagnosing diseases, even creating music. And it's improving every day. But here's the real question. Is AI coming for our jobs? Some see AI as the future while others see it as a threat. So what's the reality? Is AI replacing us or is it actually creating new opportunities? In this video, I'm breaking down the facts, separating fear from reality, and showing you exactly how AI is changing the workforce and what you can do to stay ahead. I'm Vahid and let's dive into it. AI is making headlines everywhere. It's boosting productivity, automating tasks, and transforming industries. But let's be honest, it's also making people nervous. We've already seen AI replace jobs in manufacturing, customer service, and even creative fields. Companies are using AI, power chatbots, self-checkout machines, and automated systems to reduce cost and speed things up. But what does that mean for you? Here's something most people don't realize. AI isn't just taking jobs, it's changing the way we work. Some jobs are disappearing. Yes, of course, but new careers are emerging that didn't even exist a few years ago. The real question is, are we adapting fast enough to keep up? Let's flip the narrative. AI isn't just a job killer. It's a job creator. Think about it. Every AI system needs developers, trainers, and analysts, and entirely new industries are emerging: AI ethics, AI auditing, AI-assisted creativity. Here's something crazy. The fastest growing jobs today are AI-related roles that didn't exist 5 years ago. That means if you learn the right skills now, you can position yourself ahead of the curve. So let's hear from you. If you had to switch careers, what's one skill you'd want to learn to stay ahead of AI? Drop your thoughts below in the comments. Now, let's talk about reality. Which jobs are actually at risk? Jobs that involve repetitive tasks like data entry, telemarketing, and warehouse work. AI is already replacing them. Customer service roles? Of course, chatbots are getting smarter by the day. But here's something you might not expect. AI isn't great at creativity, emotional intelligence, or strategic thinking. That's why designers, educators, and leadership roles are safer than you think. Do you think your job could be automated, or do you have skills that AI can't replace? Let's discuss in the comments. AI is changing everything, but it doesn't have to replace you. Here's what you can do to stay ahead. Learn AI skills. Even if you're not in tech, understanding AI will make you more valuable. Adopt and evolve. The job market is shifting. Staying flexible is the key. Leverage AI tools. Instead of fearing AI, learn how to use it to enhance your work. AI isn't just to steal your job. It's here to change the way we work. The people who adapt, they're the ones who will thrive. Here's my question for you. If you had to pick one AI-related skill to learn, what would it be? Let's get a discussion going in the comments below.